Most standing desk problems do not start with the motor. They start with the setup around the desk. The height is a little off, the monitor is not centered, or the mouse is too far away. Storage may block legroom, and cables may keep pulling devices out of position during the day. In this video, we will fix 7 common standing desk setup mistakes at home. We will also match each fix to an AFEGO workstation that solves that specific friction. The goal is simple: better posture, cleaner storage, easier charging, and a setup you keep using. Mistake 1 is setting the desk by the number on the display instead of your body. Stand naturally, relax your shoulders, bend your elbows, and keep your forearms close to level. Then save one sitting height and one standing height, so you stop guessing every time. The AFEGO 55-inch L-shaped standing desk with wooden drawers and power is a strong everyday example. It combines a practical L-shaped footprint, 4 wooden drawers, and built-in AC, USB, and Type-C power. Its 2 9.9-inch to 4 6.1-inch height range supports normal sitting and standing routines. Mistake 2 is placing the monitor wherever it fits instead of where your neck needs it. Put the screen about an arm's length away, with the top at or slightly below eye level. Center the main screen with your nose, not with the decorative center of the desk. If you use 2 monitors, decide which one is primary before arranging everything else. The AFEGO 63-inch L-shaped standing desk with drawers and power outlets works well here. Its larger L-shaped surface gives monitors more depth while preserving a cleaner active work zone. Mistake 3 is fixing desk height but still reaching across the desk for the mouse. Your keyboard and mouse should move as one unit, close enough to keep elbows near your ribs. If your desktop gets crowded, a dedicated input zone can protect wrist and shoulder position. The AFEGO 55-inch U-shaped standing desk with drawers and power gives you that input zone. It includes a keyboard tray, monitor stand, 2 drawers, built-in power, USB access, and 3 memory presets. That means typing posture, screen elevation, storage, and charging are planned together. Mistake 4 is treating an L-shaped desk like one giant pile of stuff. Use zones instead: focus zone, support zone, and storage zone, each with a clear job. Keep monitors, keyboard, and mouse in the focus zone directly in front of your body. Put reference papers, laptop stand, printer, or headset in the secondary support zone. Keep bulky storage away from the central knee space, so chair movement stays comfortable. This is where the AFEGO 55-inch L-shaped standing desk with movable file cabinet belongs. It represents AFEGO standing desks with file cabinet for paper-heavy home offices. The main desktop is 55.1 inches by 23.6 inches for daily computer work. The independent movable cabinet is 39.4 inches by 15.8 inches by 18.7 inches. It gives folders, printer paper, notebooks, and office supplies their own dedicated place. That keeps those items off the desktop and out from under your legs. Mistake 5 is letting cable routing happen only after everything is already plugged in. Start with a power map before you finalize monitor, laptop, lamp, and charger placement. Put always-on devices on one side, and keep grab-and-go charging in one repeatable place. Route slack toward the rear, not across the desktop or across your chair path. The 63-inch AFEGO L-shaped desk helps cable-heavy setups with built-in power and a rear cable tray. Mistake 6 is buying too much desk shape for a small home office. Not every room needs an L-shaped or U-shaped desk to feel productive and organized. The AFEGO 48-inch standing desk with drawers and monitor shelf is better for narrow rooms. It gives a 47.2-inch by 21.3-inch desktop, 3 wooden drawers, and a monitor shelf. Built-in power and LED lighting help solve charging and visibility without taking over the room. Mistake 7 is ignoring early warning signs after the desk is assembled. If the desk wobbles, level the feet and retighten frame hardware before adding more equipment. If your neck hurts, lower or center the monitor before blaming the chair. If your wrists feel sore, lower the desk slightly and pull the keyboard back from the edge. If cables return after a few days, assign one charging corner and bundle by device group. Choose the AFEGO 55-inch L-shaped standing desk with movable file cabinet if files are the problem. Choose the wooden drawer and power model for a balanced L-shaped setup with charging. Choose the 63-inch drawers and power outlets model for dual monitors and cable control. Choose the U-shaped model when keyboard posture matters, or the 48-inch model when the room is compact. Fix the setup first, then choose the desk that removes your biggest daily friction.